Hey, my best friends, allenpallen here, and in today's video, we are in fact going to be drawing. I'm really excited for this, you guys, because I've expressed this before. I used to have such a huge passion for drawing in the past, more into like growing up and stuff like that, and that's why I've loved so much here on YouTube that I've got to express myself in an artistic way, doing all these little random projects we do. Granted, those are usually like a first try, or I'm not really familiar with what I'm doing. But what I want to do today is kind of go back to something that I used to really love to do, which is, in fact, drawing. So I'm not really sure how to film a video like this, but I'm gonna only take like an hour, I guess, to do my drawing. I'm gonna color it in with colored pencil. I'm gonna use a pen to outline. I'm kind of limited on supplies, but I'm gonna show you guys like a little bit of a time lapse, and then the finished product. I'm really excited about this as well because one thing I used to have a problem with when I did draw a lot is I would be like so hard on myself, and I wouldn't always even like finish things, and sometimes my brain just wanted to start like a new project. I thought it'd be a great incentive to sit down with you guys, my best friends, chill out, do a drawing, do the whole thing. I'm not worried about your judgment. Just dive back into something I love and just finish the project. Since I really want to get back into drawing, my best things I would love to do on this channel will always do like fun little crafts and stuff. But if you ever want to see some time-lapse drawings, like I said, I'll still post some out here, but I really want to draw a lot on the side. I down below have linked a drawing channel, so that's always there. And someday, I mean, I would love to, like, not that I'm anything special, but sell my art or something like that. Not as like a main source of income, but it'd be cool, and then people could like see their drawing get made and yada yada yada. But for anybody that would want to see anything like that, just like time-lapse drawing or my progression as an artist or any of that, if you want to see, it'll be linked down below. I promise too, since we'll be practicing, there'll be some giveaways involved. I can do art giveaways here on this channel too. I just don't want to cloud this channel up with, if I end up drawing every day or something. So, but other than that, friends, I'm gonna dive right into this. My tablet's about to die, but I do in fact have like a reference photo, just this face. I'm gonna kind of sketch out a face. Faces are my favorite thing to draw, especially female faces. I love doing the hair and makeup. So since I'm really gonna try to focus on the face to complete the picture within approximately an hour, I thought it'd be really cool to do something I used to do, which is put them on a stem. So in essence, it's like a flower head. I love things that are like kind of creepy, or not too creepy or gory, but like a little different, maybe a little sci-fi, maybe a little like weird, random, out of the ordinary, interesting, but also I like a little bit of glamour in the mix. So we're gonna try and make it look really pretty as well, kind of edgy. I'm gonna sketch out something real quick and then we'll go from there. Sorry, besties. I'm getting so into it. This is what I have so far. I feel like it's been maybe 10 minutes or so. This is gonna take longer than an hour, and that's totally okay because I'm having so much fun and I'm so into this. Just so for sake of video, I'm gonna spend maybe 15-20 more minutes drawing, and then I'm gonna check back in when it comes time to do our outlining. I'll show some of that, and then we'll check in for coloring. Sound like a plan, friends? I'm so excited. It's been about 15 to 20 minutes. Here is what it is transforming into. I'm gonna keep going though, and I'll check back in 20 more minutes. I keep putzing and putzing around. I'm really liking it so far, you guys, considering I haven't drawn in so long. I think it's coming together quite nicely. Some of the areas are compromised from erasing so much. So since I really don't want to ruin this picture, and I'm really determined to finish this and just kind of start my art journey over again, I'm gonna finish my sketching and then I will meet up with you guys for outlining. It is in fact a new day, but here is how our little creation is coming along. I'm really happy with it. As you can see, I did jump ahead to outlining just a little bit because with all of the erasing and using the sharp mechanical pencil, I'm literally poking through the paper in so many spots. And I just wanted to make sure that this piece of artwork was in fact salvageable. But now what I think I'm gonna do is we're gonna outline this bad boy and then we're gonna jump into coloring. I just finished outlining the pot and the stem and the leaves. I'm really trying my best to pay attention to detail. As you can see, I drew every single grain of dirt. But now I am in fact just gonna kind of finish up the face, and then I'm gonna outline the hair, and then we can move on to coloring. I might have to go back in and touch up a couple of these lines when we're all done, but I think we're done outlining for now. I think it's looking really good, and I'm genuinely really proud of myself. But in effort to finish off our little flower girl masterpiece here, we are in fact gonna move on to color. I think this is really gonna make everything pop, make everything come together. It's gonna look really colorful and beautiful. Just because the paper has thinned out so much. I have elected to maybe not press as hard as I used to. I used to be one of those people where I would just kind of go over the same spot over and over and over, kind of applying a lot of pressure to my color pencils just to make them really rich and pigmented. And I feel like we can't do that today, but we can do it next time. This has already left me so excited to do another project, and I'm just really proud that I'm about to finish this. So without further ado, let's get to color. So I just finished coloring in my little art project, and aside from that, I just added a couple teeny tiny dots of white paint with the back of this paintbrush. All in all, I probably spent 6 or 7 hours on this, you guys. My speed and my talent are definitely down, but that's okay because it gives us something else to work on, and I am having so much fun. I'm gonna try my best to draw every single week, at least a couple times a week. My next picture I will in fact post on this channel, just so I can kind of practice with how to edit videos like this, or how to put them together even. Any recommendations for future art projects or ways that I can improve my art videos, please let me know down below. I would really appreciate it. But going forward, I of course will be posting some of my drawings on my drawing channel, maybe doing some longer time lapses, and we could put music, or I don't really know what I'm doing, you guys, but even though the paper was so compromised, literally ripping in some spots, you can see, ooh, you can literally see holes. I did in fact manage to color it in pretty well. So here's what my drawing looks like, you guys. I'm gonna flip you around in just a second, but I am so proud of what I accomplished today. And I'm really excited to just keep on with my art journey. And I think my next project will be even better, but for not drawing in so long, I'm really happy with this, you guys. I'm gonna turn you around real quick. My favorite part about this whole experience was that this piece almost kind of told a story to me. I was able to connect to it. Everything is very glam, very luxe, but it's also very dark, which I love. And it's also very colorful, which I love. But you know, it's like we have this girl and she's pretty and she has nice hair, Chanel, Versace, pearls, etc. But if you look at her closely, you see her eyes damaged. She's damaged. So that's kind of one thing that was speaking to me a lot. Another thing was we have this like person who kind of has like, you know, her vision of everything she wants in life, or she's completed herself, or she's like beautiful or whatever, but in reality she's trapped. Ooh. So there's so many different stories, you guys, but I love everything about it. You can see where those little holes are and crinklies, but I think we managed to make it work, and that's all that really matters. And I didn't give up, and I have an awesome video now to share with you guys. And it was fun! With that being said, I hope you had fun as well. Give me feedback down below. Let me know what you want to see next, even if it's not drawing. It could be anything, you guys. We do a little bit of everything. I do, in fact, though, love you guys so much. And I'm probably going to film later on tonight or tomorrow morning. I have a lot of editing to do, but I hope you guys are well, and I'll see you so soon, I promise. I love you guys. Bye!